What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to copy apps in here or how to add apps here to your desktop so you can quickly actually reach to them and open up specific applications. This can be inbuilt app as well as custom apps such as LinkedIn or WhatsApp, for example. Let's say that I wish to bring Microsoft Word or LinkedIn all the way to desktop. You can do it in just a few simple steps. But before that, do not forget to subscribe to the channel so you're updated every time I upload a brand new video, and it also helps me out. Without any further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. So first things first, let's open up Start in here real quick, and then let's hop into Settings here real quick. Now once we're here within Settings, let me just maximize this a bit. We're gonna tap here on Personalization right within the next stack of options. Next up, we'll tap on Themes in here and then scroll down, and down here we do have an option which says Desktop Icon Settings. So you just need to tap here on Desktop Icon Settings, and then you'll be able to select the inbuilt apps that come with your laptop. For example, we're talking about Recycle Bean and apps like that. Now, if you wish to add a custom app that you've installed manually, you just need to hop into Start in here and then manually search for that app. So let me tap in here on All so I can visualize every single app I have installed within my laptop in here, and there's no single app which is not here. Now next up, you just need to drag and drop it. For example, if it's Microsoft Teams, you'll just drag it and drop it here all the way to my desktop, and boom, here we go. I now have my app on my desktop. You can do this with multiple apps in here. Let me reopen Start, tap on All, Clock, let me bring it to my desktop. It doesn't allow me because it's a specific app, but Notepad, for example, I can easily drop it here on desktop and I'm good to go. So this is essentially how you can transfer and add apps to your desktop. I hope you found my video useful, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section if you do have any question or doubt so we can discuss further. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.